Hey everybody, this video I've got a package sent to me from the Helpful Lock Picker. This is a challenge lock pinned up by the Sightless Senshi. And if I can figure out how to do it, I will, well, I know I can link the Helpful Lock Picker video, which I have not watched yet. So I can link that up here. Pin picking this lock, and I think at the end of the channel I will try to get the Sightless Senshi's channel on there, and possibly one of my other YouTube channels. I've never been one to beg for subscribers, but with YouTube's new monetization policies, I need to get used to that. This channel doesn't make a ton of money, but I have another channel that does okay, which I spend that money on, you know, buying locks and cameras and stuff like that. So it would be nice if I could get that channel over 1,000 subscribers. So I will try to put a link to that, and if anybody's interested in checking out by subscribing, that would be greatly appreciated. And so it looks like we've got a kick cylinder here, quick set keyway, and Sightless Senshi and Lady Lockpicker, what the key says. Key works smoothly. And I wonder if I should throw that on a padlock. And the hell with it, I'll just try doing it in my hand here. If I can get my fingers to work. Alright, so we'll try some top of the keyway tension, and we'll try a Peterson #1 hook. Okay, we got a little false set there. Okay, I've not picked a challenge lock in quite a while. We got some kind of crunchiness on #4, I think. Probably overset something, so start over here. Kind of funny, you just see the quick set keyway and think, well, this will be easy. And that's what your brain does. Yeah, I've picked probably hundreds of quick sets, and I picked 2 earlier this morning. You know, a deadbolt and then a doorknob with the, you know, the cylinder upside down Euro style. I'm starting to regret not sticking this into a padlock. pretty good false set going here. And I'm having trouble with tensioning it because my hands don't work like they used to. So far over, I'm having trouble keeping the tension wrench pushed. Tension wrench came out a little bit there, but it's such a deep false set that it didn't click back. Some kind of T-pin or deep spool or something. Yeah, that's one of those when you think the thing opens. But no, it was just a tension wrench. There we go. Shoot, thought I had it. You tricked me again. Click something when it didn't even deeper false set. Now I'm really having trouble tensioning it now. Oh, crap. I really should have put this in a vise or in a padlock. Alright, I should just kill my friggin' hand here. There it goes. Lifting number 2 high enough. Sweet. So we got it open. Now see if we can gut it fast, because this got long on me here. I just noticed something too. The key says Black & Decker on it. That's cool. Never actually seen that. Most people know that Black & Decker actually owns Kwikset. I've never seen a key blank say Black & Decker on it. Detent in the spring there, and see what we got going on inside. Alright, so for key pins, pin number 1 here. Pin 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Nice job there. Okay, so downstairs we got number 1 has been made into a, looks like a little bomb, like a T-pin. Get it out of the shadow there. Yeah, that actually might have been what I was hung up on. I thought it was number 2, but alright, and on the Bible here, looking at that, we got all 5 chambers threaded, it looks like. Very nice. I'm sorry, the plug, I mean. I think it's time for a cup of coffee here. Alright, and now upstairs. Alright, in number 1 we've got a super deep spool. And number 2, yeah, that was the one I was stuck on right there. It's a really cool looking pin. Let me get close here. That's a really neat looking pin right there. I think that was the one that I got the super deep false set on. And then on number, let me try to get these springs out too, actually. Alright, so number 1, we got normal spring. Number 2, normal Kwikset spring. Okay, number 3, we got our pretty cool serrated pin. And number 4, and then, okay, and 5 popped out too, so there's 5. These springs in the right order, so spring 3, normal Kwikset spring, 4 Kwikset spring, and last but not, no, so looks like 2 pins came out of number 4, and there's pin 5 right there with a normal spring. Alright, cool. Yeah, I've never tried making one of these. Don't know that I've got the skills to be able to do it. Alright, and I think I was zoomed in, so I probably screwed this up, but it is what it is. So, got really cool, kind of a T-pin on 1, a really deep spool. I guess you'd call it on 2. 3, we got a serrated pin. 4, like a 2 pins here, not really sure what's going on with that. And then 5, I got a really cool kind of like a deep, 2 deep serration, or spool with some serrations in the center of it. So really cool. And it's actually a fun little pick, and I like the keyway. I don't have to fight with warding or bending picks or anything like that. I kind of rather enjoy the Kwikset keyway. And one more look at the key here. Here it says Black & Decker. So, alright, yeah, I'm going to link Helpful Lock Picker and Sightless Senshi's channel if I can figure it out, and then also my other channel, and anybody feels like helping out, it'd be cool if you can just subscribe to really all of us. And one thing I forgot to look at is upstairs here. Look for any serrations or anything upstairs. And I don't see any serrated chambers at the top here. It looks like just the plug was serrated. So, alright. Thank you everybody for checking this out. And thank you to the Sightless Senshi for making it, and the Helpful Lock Picker for sending it my way. And that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.